Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing my brand new iPhone 15 Plus in blue, which will most likely be my last ever iPhone, which I'll be using as a daily driver. Of course, I'll still purchase iPhones for review purposes on this channel. However, in terms of a daily use iPhone, this will most likely be my last. And throughout the course of this video, I'll tell you exactly why. But without further ado, let's jump into unboxing this brand new iPhone 15 Plus here in 2024. And of course, as always with these videos, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this video, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and X. And now let's jump right into this unboxing. So firstly, let's take a look at the box itself. Let me bring it a bit closer here. As you can see, I got the blue version, and this one is the iPhone 15 Plus 256 gig version. I've been told it's not exactly blue, and on the side of the box, I don't know if that's coming up in the light here, the artificial lighting that I'm using. It's evening, it's right after work. I do not have the time to be shooting videos in natural daylight anymore, but the iPhone is in the same, this iPhone logo is written in the same color as the phone. Apple logo down here, iPhone there, Apple logo over there as well. And if you flip it over, you have your usual stuff, your serial number, model number, as you can see, iPhone 15 Plus blue 256 gig, that's the model number, and so on. So let's go ahead and pull these tabs. Let me bring it closer here. There we go. And let's lift up on the box here. And there is the phone. So it's coming up as white on screen for sure, but it is, as you can see, a shade of blue. But let's keep that to a side for now. Take a look what's in the box. So we have your braided cable. This is just a white cable. It's not color coded to the phone. It's a double-sided USB-C, as you can see there. Nothing out of the ordinary. You have your documentation here. You no longer need a physical SIM. Yes, you have an eSIM now, and one Apple sticker, which is a bummer. There was a time that we got, I guess, two really big ones, or they were color-coded to the phone at one point, or is that just iPods? I forgot. But yeah, just one Apple sticker. Now I think with the 16s, you don't even get an Apple sticker. I think I may be wrong. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you get Apple stickers with newer iPhones, or was the 15 generation the last? I don't keep up with this stuff anymore. I barely ever post videos because I'm so busy with work, but that's that. So now, keep the box out of the way and let's take a closer look at the phone here. Let's go ahead and peel up. There we go. Yep, it's definitely coming up as white in this artificial lighting, but it is somewhat of a blue. It's more bluish on the sides here. Let me go ahead and power this thing on. I'll go ahead and set this thing up and be right back. So here is the 15 Plus, actually about 2 days after the initial part of this video, all set up. Well, not entirely set up. I haven't technically moved over from my 12 Pro Max over there because I'm waiting for the case and the screen protector for the 15 Plus, but I have been messing with it and downloaded some of the apps that I use on the daily. And just to give you a quick first impressions, it's of course built of aluminum, so it's less premium than the 12 Pro Max in terms of feel. This back piece feels really plasticky, even though I think it's a form of glass. Not even close in terms of build quality, but that's expected. They're two different categories of phone. The 12 Pro Max was the most premium at the time, and this is a mid-ranged phone as of last year, and still somewhat a mid-range phone here in 2024. But then again, I'm gonna be putting a case on it. I won't know the difference in build quality once that case is on. Sure, the dynamic island and stuff are somewhat of an upgrade. It's faster, etc., etc. The rounded edges are nice, but then again, it's gonna be in a case. Not really gonna notice that. I have messed with a 14 Pro Max or a 14 Pro, sorry. In that video, the 14 Pro, which I unboxed, that phone was for my dad, but yeah, I have played with a dynamic island before, played around with it, etc., etc. It's cool, it's fun, but again, the upgrade isn't a wow factor for me, at least. And I'm pretty sure if I got the 16 Pro Max, it would have been the same thing. The differences aren't really considerable anymore. They're not a wow factor anymore, for me at least. Let me know down in the comments section if what your phone was previously and what you upgrade to, if you did in the last year or whatever. But for me, as far as I go, there's no real wow factor. This is just an upgrade for me to use an iPhone for a few more years to come, and that comes on to my next point as to why this might be my last ever iPhone, and that's very simple. That is the fact that I don't trust artificial intelligence. It's plain and simple. Apple's intelligence thing, I do not like it. Do not like the idea of it. Yeah, you can turn it off, they say. I don't trust them. And the 15 Plus is the current best spec iPhone that will not be getting Apple Intelligence. The 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will be getting Apple Intelligence. I think they already did with the latest update. I'm not sure. But the 15 Plus is the best spec iPhone and biggest iPhone that will not be getting Apple Intelligence. I just simply don't trust AI, and that's just how it goes. You can have an alternate opinion, and that's fine. It's just AI doesn't sit well with me. Now you may say that, hey, cameras have AI, they've been having them for quite a while. So does the music app to determine what kind of songs you'd like, especially camera AI. And that's true, but that's a different kind of AI. I'm talking about more advanced AI, like what Siri uses with ChatGPT. It sends your data out of the iPhone to ChatGPT for it to get processed, and it sends it back. That doesn't sit well with me. They say you can turn it off, but I still don't trust that. So the 12 Pro Max, I could have stuck with it, but that would have given me about maybe 3 years of use. When in this case, I probably will get, if I really drag this, probably another 6 years of iPhone use without Apple Intelligence. I just like Apple. I have a sweet spot for Apple, but eventually I'll have to move to an Android phone if this keeps up. But then you may be like, wait, Android phones had AI way before iPhones, and that's true, but not a de-googled Android phone. That's what I'm basically gonna do, is buy a Pixel and completely wipe Google from it, and just install a custom Android ROM, like, I don't know, Ubuntu Mobile Lineage, something like that, and just completely wipe the AI aspect out of it. If you really want, you can custom build Android from scratch, but I'm not gonna go all that far, but I'll still install a custom ROM, completely wipe Google services and all other AI stuff, and just keep what I need. So that's what the future's looking like for my daily driver device. Of course, I'll buy iPhones for just to review them and stuff in time to come, but I'll have a burner account for that to log into the said iPhones, and I won't be using my main account or any of that stuff. But then again, to answer another question, you must be like, well, AI is everywhere and there's no real getting away from it. That's true. But when one of your hands is in the crocodile's mouth, you don't hand it your other hand as well, do you? No, you try to get the first hand out of its mouth. Using that analogy, that's what I'm trying to go off. But yeah, that's just my take on it. I just don't trust AI. There are many reasons as to why AI is great, but then there are also many reasons as to why I do not like it, do not trust it. I can go on for about a 5-hour rant on as to why I do not like it and I do not trust it, but hey, it's just what it is, and that's just my opinion. But yeah, this is the 15 Plus unboxing here in 2024. I might do a few more videos on this in time to come, but as you've known, I have not uploaded any new videos in recent times. Well, I did a few like 2 months ago for the iOS 18 release, but as a whole, I haven't come back full time to making videos. However, I intend to be back someday making videos full time. It's just hard to manage a full-time job plus doing YouTube full time when I'm actually not earning off YouTube. But eventually I'll be back, and I will get back to making videos full time. I'm just not sure of when the date is going to be, but until then I'll post videos occasionally. So finally, that's the end to this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like down on the like button below, or a dislike depending on whether you liked or disliked this video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the 15 Plus. Do you own one? Do you use one on the daily? Did you upgrade to the 16? And just let me know down in the comment section anything else you have to say. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and X. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.